Welcome! I am Christine de Alesna, a third year BSN major in science student, and today we're bound to meet the biggest planet in our solar system, Jupiter.
Mwah. If you don't like the way I talk, then why am I on your mind?
Spread your wings and fly, go!
I'm a Tiago. I don't know who's Margot. I just hit this lotto. I'm building up my cargo, and I know.
Here are the 10 amazing facts about the planet Jupiter. Number 1. The king of the planets. Jupiter is known to be the largest planet in the solar system, with a radius of 43.441 miles or 69.911 kilometers, approximately 11 Earth wide. It has a mass equal with the twice of the mass of all other planets. And because it is very big, all other planets could fit inside it with a room to spare. Number 2. The first planet in the solar system. Born from the primordial stardust 4.5 billion years ago, Jupiter was the solar system's first planet. With the name taken from the king of the ancient Roman Greeks, Jupiter was destined for greatness. Number 3. No solid surface. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun with a distance of 460 million miles or 741 million kilometers. Unlike Earth and other terrestrial planets, Jupiter has no solid surface. It may not have a traditional solid core. Instead, this giant planet may have a dense liquid center surrounded by a worldwide ocean of hydrogen and helium gases. Number 4. Unique atmosphere. Jupiter's gaseous composition can be observed in its atmosphere. It's about 44 miles thick with canvas of stripes and storms churning around the planet. These colors ranges between shades of whites, yellows, browns, and reds, all caused by a chemical makeup of each area. Number 5. The Great Red Spot. The most iconic feature of Jupiter is a crimson-brown storm that's been raging for over 300 years. It appears as the Great Red Spot. It is a giant swirling collection of clouds with wind speed of up to 400 miles per hour, at least 2.5 times faster than Category 5 hurricane. Number 6. The 79 moons. Floating hundreds of miles above the storms of Jupiter are about 79 moons, the most of the 8 known planets. The 4 largest moons were discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Number 7. The Galilean satellites. The 4 largest moons are known as the Galilean satellites. These are Io, the most volcanically active celestial body in the solar system; Ganymede, the solar system's largest moon. It's even larger than the planet Mercury; the Callisto and Europa, which along with Ganymede may contain oceans of liquid water underneath their crust. Number 8. The shortened days. Jupiter has the shortened days, although it takes 12 years orbital period. Jupiter has much shorter days than Earth, that it only takes 9 hours and 56 minutes long. It is because Jupiter spins faster than Earth due to its surface feature. Number 9. Jupiter emits more than it receives from the Sun. The Earth and other terrestrial planets are in a heat balance with the Sun. We emit pretty much the same amount of heat that we receive from the Sun. But Jupiter is different. After it formed, it started to cool by radiating away heat from its upper atmosphere. and the amount of the heat Jupiter gives off is more than it receives from the Sun. Number 10. The strongest planet in the solar system. Jupiter's large collection of moons is only made possible by the planet's massive size and gravitational pull. It is responsible for directing the paths of smaller objects within the solar system, either sending comets and asteroids into or away from the inner solar system. Indeed, Jupiter is the strongest of all the planets in the solar system. So that's all for today. May God bless us all.
Kind of what I think that I love.